Hi everyone, hope you are well and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about dual WhatsApp in your device Redmi Note 11. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If you want to download the dual WhatsApp or the clone WhatsApp in your device Redmi Note 11, you have one WhatsApp but you want to install another WhatsApp, you can do it by the way as I'm showing in this video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device.